Now, fast forward, the Chicken Soup Brigade, which is now a very large organization, these days focuses almost entirely on providing food for people who are ill, and not just with people who have HIV or AIDS, but for other disabled people. So it's kind of over the many years from that first grassroots beginning when, we were trying to provide companionship, transportation, companionship at doctor's appointments, et cetera, et cetera. Eventually those services were kind of pared out, and the brigade began to focus more and more on food. And some of those services were assigned to social workers either at the Northwest AIDS Foundation, which now had grown to the point where it could hire a couple of social workers, and to other organizations like Shanti, which was also, Shanti was an emotional support network that, again, founded by Seattle Gay Clinic volunteers, was out there. And so some of those first services that we tried to take on at Chicken Soup Brigade that we realized we couldn't really handle, they were a little more specialized, they came done by groups like Shanti, and then another organization called the Seattle AIDS Support Group, also organized by Seattle Gay Clinic volunteers. And Josh Joshua was very important, one of our volunteers, very important in the founding of the AIDS Support Group, as well as Stan Henry, who eventually became not a social worker, but a patient advocate at the Harborview AIDS Clinic.